in these key battleground states that were mentioned earlier, these polls are tight. And I think it's no coincidence that so many of the Democrats in those key states have come out and pulled through in support of President Biden's reelection campaign. So I think what you have to focus on is, are we reaching and engaging the folks who are ultimately going to be the votes that we need to win in November? And so I think that from a strategic standpoint, that is what the campaign is continuing to do and continuing to focus on, and not focusing exclusively on the donor class, because that is a handful of opinions, though very well-financed opinions nonetheless.
Sure. Chapin, we spoke earlier with Eli Oakley at Morning Consult this hour, our partners in the Bloomberg News Swing State poll, which brought some fascinating and counterintuitive numbers when released over the weekend. This is Joe Biden's best showing in this poll. That's gone back to October here with a monthly check-in from Bloomberg and Morning Consult. He's losing to Donald Trump by only 2 points, 47-45. And it's swing states here, so interestingly, Biden's beating Trump in Michigan and Wisconsin. He's trailing Trump in Pennsylvania. But I wonder, when you look at this poll and you consider the public discourse that's going on right now, kind of the laughing that we're hearing from Republicans, does the GOP risk becoming too complacent at this moment in the race?
There's always a risk in every campaign. I have to warn candidates all the time about becoming complacent. And if we have thought of being, we've thought of a tactic, the other side has always thought of it as, we have to assume they can think of it too, and not get overconfident. But yeah, I think, again, on the Republican side, there's also a balancing act of when to sit back and let your opponents duke it out themselves, and when to step in. I think you saw immediately after, on the 2 days after the debate performance, you saw Trump sort of putting out just enough statements to keep his base, paying attention to him, but didn't really go for the jugular, so to speak, as he has in the past about opponents. So I think you're seeing them sort of play that balancing act as well.
How would you manage then the timing this week, Chapin? We've got the Republican National Convention starting Monday. Joe Biden's NATO news conference is going to be Thursday. When do you drop the news on a vice presidential candidate if you're Donald Trump?
Well, probably having a conversation right now within the campaign about whether that's the day of the NATO thing, the day after, right during, or when. I think, it's ripe opportunity to steal the news cycle, at least for the domestic news here in America. So I do think that is the perfect timing to announce it in the lead up to the convention, though. The flip side of that coin is they may want to manage it a little bit better than that and, have a big show and a surprise. Though I do think getting the most out of it, against your opponent is the best tactic or the best strategy. So I do think right around, whatever the biggest inflection point during that time during the NATO summit is, would be when the leak would happen or when the announcement would happen. Just to take the news back. Donald Trump is a master at that.
No doubt. And you do wonder if it's going to come via a leak. That was great. Chapin Fay, Janae Wartell, great panel. And many thanks to you both for the insights here. I will point out 2 events, one tomorrow in Miami. I think Marco Rubio, we're supposedly down to 2 according to the Washington Post. And then the other Saturday, Butler, Pennsylvania. We'll be watching these very closely for potential vice presidential candidate announcements or leaks from the Trump campaign. I'm Joe Matthew in Washington. Thanks again to the panel. We'll turn coming up to energy prices, energy policy, as we tick things off here to the start of the July 4th driving season, and an important conversation with Bob McNally at Rapidan Energy. He's in next after we check world and national news with Nancy Lyons in the Bloomberg 99.1 newsroom in Washington. Hi, Nancy.
Hey, Joe. President Biden is doubling down on his previous commitment to stay in the race. In a letter to Democratic lawmakers today, he said he's staying in to the end. He spoke about it earlier today on MSNBC.
I am not going anywhere. I wouldn't be running if I didn't absolutely believe that I am the best candidate to beat Donald Trump in 2024.
Biden, in his letter, said the question of how to move forward has been well aired for over a week now, and he says it's time for the talking to end. Lawmakers are back on Capitol Hill this week after their July 4th recess. Former President Trump has been maintaining a low profile over the last week. Today, Republicans moved to adopt a campaign platform. And sources tell the Associated Press at Trump's request that platform does not include an explicit call for a national abortion ban. Global news 24 hours a day and whenever you want it with Bloomberg News Now. I'm Nancy Lyons. This is Bloomberg.
Wall Street prepares for the latest read on inflation.
An inertial force of disinflation now.
Will we see continued progress toward the Fed's 2% target?
What do you think the Federal Reserve is really keying on here?
Instant reaction on Bloomberg surveillance.
The VIX traders.
We've got equity markets moving higher.
Inflation in focus. Thursday morning at 5:30. Listen on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app. And always on Bloomberg 960. Context changes everything.
When was the last time I took a road trip? How many national parks could I hit in 2 weeks? What about hotels? Wait, hey Erica, how much did I spend on travel?
When your questions about life turn into questions about money, there's Erica, the virtual financial assistant to help you spend, save, and plan smarter. Only from Bank of America. What would you like the power to do? Erica is only available in the English language. You must download the latest version of the mobile banking app, only available on select mobile devices. Your chat may be recorded and monitored for quality assurance. Message and data rates and additional terms may apply. Bank of America and member FDIC.
Volatile markets, global elections, central bank policy. You've got questions about the business stories that affect your world. Let Bloomberg give you the answers. I'm Stephen Carroll. Join me for Here's Why, a new podcast that drills into one big story each week. We'll explain it in just a few minutes with help from one of our 2,700 journalists and analysts across the globe. Listen to Here's Why on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app or wherever you get your podcasts.
New Jersey Institute of Technology graduate Bob Medina built one of the largest Hispanic-owned engineering companies in the country. He attributes his success to NJIT, and today he's paying it back by serving as chair of NJIT's foundation and mentoring a new generation of tech leaders.
NJIT is an R1 institution, meaning it's one of the highest-ranking research institutions in the world. They're on the leading edge of technology, whether it be in the biomedical field, whether it be in computer and data sciences, whether it be in architecture and sustainability, or engineering innovations. The research that's going on at NJIT, I think it's going to even get bigger, and we're going to be doing more cutting-edge work. I think the next 50 years are going to be to the point where if you can imagine it, if you can think it, it can be done.
NJIT, New Jersey Institute of Technology. Learn more at njit.edu.
Join us in Atlanta or via live stream on August 22nd for Bloomberg's Business Value of AI event and networking reception. This event will gather business and technology executives to share their experiences and provide insights into their strategies for deploying AI that achieves a desirable ROI. You'll also learn how companies have successfully implemented AI solutions that have improved productivity and profitability. This program is proudly sponsored by IBM. Register at bloomberglive.com/AI/radio.
Bloomberg Radio, on demand and in your podcast feed.
On this week's Masters in Business podcast, my conversation with Brian Klaas, author of a new book, Fluke, Chance, Chaos, and Why Everything We Do Matters. I found the book fascinating, and I really enjoyed where you go down the evolutionary biology rabbit hole, starting with convergence is the everything happens for a reason school of evolutionary biology. Contingency is the G-rated version is stuff happens theory. Explain the difference between the two.
Yes, I think that evolutionary biology has a lot to teach us about understanding change. It's a historical science, and they're trying to understand, the origin story of species. And they're thinking about cause and effect just as people in economics and politics are as well. And so these two ideas, they're very simple to understand with two examples. The first example is asteroid, which is, by the way, was produced by an oscillation in a place called the Oort cloud in the distant reaches of space. Absolute outer ring of assorted detritus that surrounds the entire solar system. Yeah, so this oscillation flings this space rock towards Earth, and it hits in the most destructive way possible. It hits in the ocean in a way that brings up a lot of toxic gas and effectively incinerates the dinosaurs because the surface temperature went up to about the same level as a broiled chicken. The reason it's important is because if it hit a slightly different place on the Earth, the dinosaurs probably wouldn't have got out. This is the kind of stuff where you think about it and it is really fascinating because you can imagine everything that humans have done, right? And you have a fucking hiccup from the phosphorus, there's nothing.